Hello, it's Andrew from Webbers, and here I am. I'm at West Banbury, just a short distance off the A30, and we've got a fantastic Class Q planning opportunity here. We're also just a mile or so from the famous Roadford Lake with all its wonderful water sports and recreational facility. Now this consent has planning permission for 5 3-bedroom homes, all of which will enjoy wonderful views over open countryside towards Brentall Church. There's also a wealth of other opportunity with a number of redundant buildings which could potentially, subject to planning, be converted into further residential usage. There's lots of space here. We're just also a short distance from Broadwoodwidger, an attractive village as well. These opportunities don't come up very often in this popular West Devon area, so we'd highly advise you to get in contact with us, Webbers, on 01566 776211. We'd love to tell you more about this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.